Cloud computing. Cloud computing is common concept that use internet to provide users computing needs and where the information was permanently stored. Now we talk about the advantages of cloud computing. The advantages of cloud computing are more flexible, efficient, effective, and dynamic where management process and the data is totally secured by the organization itself. Now, we talk about the three main of service of cloud computing. Cloud computing have three main of service. First, infrastructure as a service, or we call IaaS. The second was platform as a service, or we call PaaS. The last one is software as a service, or we call SaaS. Okay, now we talk about the terminology of cloud computing. Cloud computing have three terminology. They are as follow. First, private cloud. Private cloud is service provider to meet internal the organization. The example in private cloud was Department of IT will serve of a service and the other department will be as a user. Now, the terminology of cloud computing was public cloud. Public cloud is a service of cloud computing to the public. The example of public cloud was Windows Live Mail, Twitter, Facebook, and anymore. The last one about terminology of cloud computing, there was hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is combination between private cloud and public cloud, which is implemented by an organization or company. So we can choose a business process to move to private cloud or which business process to move public cloud.
Now I will tell you about SaaS, or we call it Software as a Service. Software as a Service is one kind of cloud computing that focuses on accessing software with service that due by the company. SaaS allow user to access the information anywhere and anytime via internet connection. In SaaS, storage and processing taking place within a cloud, so you can access the same information in the same time and in a number of people. Okay, now I will tell you about the advantage and disadvantage of SaaS. The first, I will tell you about the advantage of SaaS. First is lower cost, the second is less hardware, third is easy to maintain, fourth is highly customization, fifth is scalable application, sixth is about the easy to integrate and coordination, and the last is without complicated upgrading progress. Okay, now I will tell you about the disadvantage of SaaS. The first is connectivity requirement, the second is about security issue, third is about lack of control, fourth is about dependency on internet, fifth is about range of application.
Hello, in this part, I will explain you why software as a service is worth it for your business. So, using cloud computing makes your business more effective and efficient, especially for software. This is example of application software as a service, and this is mail target. Basically, this software is very helpful in marketing department. MailTarget can help the company to market your product or services more efficient and effective. This software also provides some features that can help the company for analysis the customer. First, you should register your company account. And this is the dashboard of your company, and you can fill some data of your own business here. Click your company name and click setting. This is the features that provided by MailTarget. You can choose the features that your company needs, and you can add the contact of your customer, and you can make your own template and so on. If you want add contact of your customer, you can click contact book and click add contact, and you can fill your customer data. Next, you can send the email to promote your product or services. This application also provides the email template and make it easier for the user to market their product or services. And MailTarget also provides form template like contact form, invoice form, customer feedback form, and so on. You can choose based on your business needs. I already make my own template. So this is the result of the email template. So this one is for greeting to my customer, and we can see what the templates look like if we open in the computer and in the cell phone. So this is one of the advantage if your company using MailTarget. because the mail target also provide you some information about the email and the customer who receive your email. You can know your email already sent to your customer or not, how many customer who already opened your email, and also describe the time, place, and device that your customer use when open the email. And from this information, you can analyze your customer and make the strategy to market your product or services more efficient and effective.